Fuel calculations work the same way as time, speed, and distance because fuel burn is simply a rate. Let's say the aircraft burns 8 gallons per hour, and we're flying for 45 minutes. Set 8 gallons per hour on the outer scale by selecting 80, which in this case is scaled to represent 8.0, then align it with the 60 rate mark. Find 45 minutes on the inner scale. Now, read the result on the outer scale. You'll see 60. In this case, 60 represents 6 gallons, not 60 gallons. The E6B does not place the decimal for you. You must interpret the correct value based on the situation. Always ask, does this answer make sense based on the time and burn rate? Once you understand scaling, fuel calculations become fast and reliable.